So guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since we updated the WRX, and it's been a while since we've been filming. We've been so busy working a lot of new projects on the Type R mainly, because the WRX we're pretty much done. And then we have maybe like 2 or 3 items left on the WRX, and then we're completely done with the build. We're still gonna go Subi Fest this year, by the way, and I'll kind of update that later. But today, I'm gonna give you guys a rundown because it's been a long time since we're back at HQ. I have a lot of stuff behind me that I was told to get rid of. So let's get into it right away, okay? I have a bunch of these are the emblem covers, all right? Front and back in carbon fiber. These we're gonna have to get rid of. 10 lucky winners will get whatever you want. I have the blue one, we got the white ones and the black ones. So comment below, emblems, and then we're gonna throw it to one of you guys. We're also gonna be doing a warehouse sale coming up. This is actually right after 4th of July sale. So we have a bunch of stuff here. Let me show you guys, okay? We're literally revamping the whole shop. Pretty much we have fender flares, front lips, wings, no more wheels, just little minor stuff we're gonna get rid of. So I'll put a date at the end of this video because we're still figuring out what day we're gonna do. And we're gonna combine it with a car meet, with the BB meet. I know a lot of you guys haven't seen the car in a while. Actually, yeah, it's been like, what, 3 months? We're gonna do that, and then I'll have you guys come out, check the car. We're gonna open the whole lot in the back. So for those are looking for a sports grill or whatever, everything will be here for like almost like 80% off, 60 to 80% off. We have an axle back. Oh, there's an axle back here. Oh, by the way, all axle backs are updated too. I think we changed a lot of the carbon fiber tips. They're no longer blue tip, they're like full dry carbon, which is super sick. And all the polished tips too, they're all updated. It's gonna be sick. So this will probably be here for sale too for like, I don't know, like 100 bucks, 100 bucks, I have no idea. But I have a bunch of wings here, 4 to 5 pallets here to get rid of. So Type R stuff, whatever you guys need, make sure to come by, check it out. And then we have the biggest Subaru WRX fan right here. Since we're here, guys, the place is a mess right now. We have restocked pretty much everything right now. The side skirts, the color match, V1s, which is the Kogeki style with the inserts. These are available in stock. We have some fender flares in stock, which surprisingly, a bunch of white ones. Usually they're all sold out. Front lips, we're getting restocked. Type R, we have a bunch of stuff coming, like the wings. Oh, there's so much stuff. And by the way, we're taking over next door, guys. So next door, next year, we're gonna expand this to triple the size. So we're gonna build a full showroom. And you guys, if you guys are visiting, you guys just come. And like we'll have a lobby there. You can just hop in the car, check out the BB, check out the Type R, whatever you want. And it'll be like super sick. And me and Jerry, all of us will be back here again. So I'm very exciting because we gotta head back to Elite Wraps later. But since you guys are here, yeah, let's just give you guys an update. Oh, we have new catbacks now, polish tips and burnt tips. Single exit. So the F1 exhaust, for those that want the stainless ones, these are available now. For those watching the channel, if you don't know, we make all our aero, our diffuser and splitters and side skirts in-house. That's our friend Alan right there. He's setting the table up, power core everything, and then our boy Drew is prepping everything to go right now. So, oh, by the way, since we're done with the WRX pretty much, let us know what car we should pick up next. I think we're waiting for the new WRX 2027. I heard it's coming out. It might be STI. This could be crazy. I'm excited. Hopefully they don't make it as ugly. Or maybe it's good to make ugly so we can make more parts. All right, guys, so the meets, if you have a CTR or a Type R or BMW, you can stop by. Yeah, I mean, there's only like so many spots in the back, but it'll be fun. So let's do that, and then tomorrow, we're gonna link back up again. We're gonna showcase a couple more items. We're testing, I think, on the CTR, a couple of diffusers, and then on the WRX, the front lower bezels in black. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. We'll link back up tomorrow. And by the way, #1 fan. So guys, it is day 2. We're at Elite Wraps. We got our homies BB right here. We have Brandon's BB right there, and we have our BB in the back, and there's like 3 more BBs outside. It's legit like a BB day. We're here today, showcase right in front of you guys, brand new GTS lip. This will be the final lip for the BB chassis. It is like a variation of the V2, V1 combined, and just way more aggressive. This is my favorite lip. The V2 used to be my favorite, but this is it right here. This is it. We're gonna showcase pretty much the lip today and install in all the colors that's gonna be available. There won't be any red or anything. Maybe upon order, if you guys want, you can email the sales team. They'll probably take care of you. But this is gonna be the main 4 colors. We got the World Rider Blue, ceramic white, gloss black, and of course factory matte black option. For the BB here, we're gonna put on the blue one, so for the color match. This is again a 3-piece construction, same as the V2. You bolt them all together and you literally slap it on. This is the new material too, guys. So this is the unbreakable material, so you can drive through all bunch of the paint might come off if you start spray paint. The lip will be intact. I just want to show you how aggressive this looks. This is so crazy. And I'm gonna plan to run this for Subi Fest 2 and put a splitter under ours. I don't know if we're gonna make it in time, but check it out. Damn, Jerry, how's it look, Jerry? Damn. So I haven't seen it yet, but I already know we tested it last time on the prototype, but this looks crazy. So you still have a lot of clearance in the middle because the V2 is flat, so it still curves up, giving that aggressive look. It's gonna look crazy. Imagine with a splitter. Fuck, it's gonna look crazy. But yeah, let's go ahead, get you guys some B-rolls right now, and then we'll slap this on, and then we'll go to our parking lot and take some pictures. So 4 variants today, guys. Very exciting. I also have a shift knob here to show you guys, but I don't know where that went. And by the way, this is our friend Zach's car he's picked up. He is one of the most balling guys that, yeah, Zach's car. Zach? Yes, yeah, Zach picked this up. Can you believe Zach picked this up? He's like the most balling guy, and he always gets the cars, he wants the cars, but he never gets the car he wants. So he gets like lower variations of it. So this is the brand, I think it's 2024, 2025? Chlorine Atura. I don't know, his dream car is the SVJ, so I don't know why he went from SVJ to the, it's not a nice car though, but you know, I personally wouldn't pick this one, but it's quick, it's faster than my Mercedes. So before we hop on, so if you don't know, this is Kelly WRX. So Brandon got into an accident, unfortunately, last year, but he's okay. And then he pretty much hit up Kelly and then picked up his car because he was parting out. So he brought his car back, we installed new flares on. So he got that, and then we did the front splitter, lip, grill combo. Oh, it has the bar light too, I didn't see that. And then we installed a brand new unequal length headers. It's a twin scroll this time. So a lot of people they weren't complaining, but they're saying, oh, single scroll, lose a little bit of torque, so you won't have the issues anymore. And if you want to tune it, you get more power. It's gonna be the brand new header that's coming out. For those pre-order already, you get the brand new set of headers. So we're to fit it. Let's give you some revs, and then we'll move on the lips. To put the GTS lip on is straightforward. There's already pre-drilled holes for the self-tapping screws. So all I gotta do is line it up. If you do have a lip before and then you already have holes on the bottom, I recommend you using the bolts that come with it. Just bolt it up. It will take a little bit longer, but I recommend that. But if not, if you have a new bumper, you know, use self-tapping screws will work too. Let's see what it looks like before and after. Here is the GTS lip in World Royal Blue color match. Obviously, you don't have to go with the color match. You can go with the gloss black or matte black. As you can see, the contour of the lip is so aggressive. It's literally what Jerry said. It's like a beefed up V1 on roids. You get the side fin now, and the whole lip right here that curves down just gives it that aggressive look. So sexy. I'm excited to see the black one. But enjoy these B-rolls, guys, and then we'll get the next car in. Oh, by the way, this car is lowered. If you guys don't know. BC coilovers. I got the Rays 57 Extremes in bronze with the Rays caps. These caps are actually like $200 if you don't know. $200 a Rays. And this falls off if you go on track. So if you go on track, make sure you take this off. Okay, I was gonna fall out. Got lug nuts. And then he has our duckbill spoiler in the back. And then he has an axle back. Oh, and the third brake light from us too. So very clean. This car is much lower down the front end. Looks so good. Now I got paired up with the side skirts, some fender flares, and he's ready to go. Ooh. All right, guys, gloss black is on. Damn, it looks so good. By the way, this ice silver is equipped with a OE Sports Grill, brace bar, our GT1 discontinued wheels, our T-Spec side skirts, and our T-Spec rear spats. Also a V2 color match rear duckbill, so very clean. Very, very, very clean. I love it. Alright guys, this is day 3. Actually the longest 3-day period on the video. But we have Jerry's car here. He has a B3 lip right now, so we're gonna upgrade it to as well to the GTS in matte. Jerry wanted black, but we kind of ran out, so he's gonna run matte for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the lip. But I just wanna show you real quick before we continue, because we get a lot of questions asked about the difference between the V3 ultimately it's just this area is all changed. So if you guys don't know, this is like a V2 with this different siphon, so it's V3. And this is old material too, guys. You know, Jerry did scrape the crap out of it, but it's holding him good. And then once we swap this over, Jerry can scrape this all he wants and it won't break off. So I'm very excited for that. And the V3 has a higher kick on the side versus the GTS, a little bit more sleek. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and then we're gonna put it on. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Like mainly the fin is a little bit larger on the V3, but on the GTS, you can see the front just way more. And for those that aren't rocking the gloss black lower part of the grille and the bumper, it's gonna look good with matte. But it really depends where you're going for. We already sold, this is day 3, so we listed this item up yesterday and we sold a bunch of gloss black ones already. But I think people was waiting for the matte. And then I think color match looks really good. I'm really excited for the white one. We have a white VB pulling up and then that one's gonna look pretty good. I'm gonna surprise him with a new shift knob. This is actually gonna release tonight, so Jerry, we need some pics. So this is our new Alcantara shift knob. I know we had the other ones and everyone's complaining it's so hot, it's so hot. And then this is gonna be the perfect replacement without burning your hand, especially on summertime. You just peel the sticker off. This is so sick. This is my favorite one. We have the same one on a VB. A lot of guys have been asking about it, so here it is. Oh my God, look at that. This is so sexy. Hope Jerry likes it. Look. So we were mocking this up back then. This couldn't go back in to reverse, so now it's all done up. So yeah, here's a new shift knob, guys. All right, guys, we are done with Jerry's. Look at this. This looks insane. Like, holy shit. This is my, excuse my language, but this is my favorite lip right now. My God. And I think all I need is a splitter. So I think on our VB, we're on a time crunch. We're gonna put one on. Put a massive splitter. Look at that. See, even my Apple Watch is like, yeah, good idea. So we're done with Jerry, so we'll pull it out, and then we have the last one, which is the ceramic white one. I have a friend coming in and we'll mount that and then we'll get some B-rolls. All right guys, we just finished ceramic white as well. I really think color matte looks better in my opinion, but I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below. And then yeah, this concludes today's video. If you guys want a lip, I'm gonna give away a GTS lip too. So comment below color match, gloss black or matte black. And then we'll give one away in the next vlog because next video, this is it. I was gonna wait for 50K for the announcement, but man, we're out of content. So it's coming next week guys. So make sure to smash that sub button and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Enjoy the B-rolls.